This is Jeffrey Marola, a Mouse Vacation Planning. We're going to make Lightning Lane selections. So you're going to open up your Mydisneyexperience app, and you're going to go to Lightning Lane Multi-Pass, Single Pass, and you're going to click Purchase. And then the date's going to come up, the calendar. You're going to select whatever date you are looking for, and you'll click on the date. And then you'll go to the next screen. You're then going to choose the park you want to do for that date. Magic Kingdom, Epcot, Disney's Hollywood Studios, or Disney's Animal Kingdom. On this day, I was choosing Epcot. So it shows me Lightning Lane Multi-Pass, the price per person, and Lightning Lane Single Pass as well. We're going to do the Multi-Pass. So we click on that. Make sure to note, always at the bottom of the screen, almost all the screens, you need to click Continue to go to the next screen. So then here on the next page, I'm selecting who's going to be part of the multi-pass group for Lightning Lane. It's just going to be me going. So I just chose myself. You could choose everybody in your family, whoever's going. So now for Epcot, I'm going to choose one from the group up top, either Frozen, Remy's, or Soarin'. And I chose Remy's. And then I'm going to choose two from the next group of attractions for Epcot, choosing whatever you're looking for. And I went with Spaceship Earth and Mission Space. And then going again, click Continue on the bottom of the screen to again go to the next screen. Always be aware of that, please. Then it's going to immediately give me the 3 attractions in my hour time window for each one. You can modify them by just clicking simply Modify Time. It'll give you new times shown there. If you don't want to choose anything new, just click Close. But you can change these around if you'd like, or just leave them as is, depending on what's available. And then again, make sure you scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen. And then again, you will click Continue. And it'll now take you to the page to pay, which I'm not showing here. But you would go to pay for it, put in your credit card information that's linked, and you go and pay for it. And then you're all set, and you can now book your next day. If you do that, you're just going to choose your next date, just like we did at the beginning of the video, and just keep going. If I want to now see the Lightning Lanes I've chosen again, just to review them, I'm then going to go to my day. I'm staying at the beach club at that time, and I want to actually choose the correct day I'm on. So I had to change the day, go to April 27th, what I'm looking for. And then I'm going to actually see here that I have chosen again Spaceship Earth, Mission Space, and Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. You can adjust them if you want, but you're good to go.